like a
I see a lot of
mustache.
those, though.
It's like a mustache.
It is what I'm looking for.
It's a Mustang, but with more style. Coffee. I don't like dark coffee or anything like that. I like good coffee.
There's a place near us called the Coffee Beanery. Drive-through. It's really good. Or fade.
You said it's a drive-through?
Yeah, it's up towards your way.
Or should we just go get breakfast? We're gonna do that.
Well, yeah, if you want to do that, there's a bunch of them.
Yeah. Crystals is insane. Crystals.
Late.
Skillet by the bay.
There's a hotel.
Who was telling us about the lobster rolls? Who was telling us about the lobster rolls yesterday? No, someone else. Shane didn't say that.
Oh,
Kyle. What was he saying? What place was it called again? Lizzie's? Liz? I think I heard Lizzie's. Oh, another dude told me that. Yeah, but I don't. Mach 1. I know. I'm gonna go get some later. Wow, Mach 1. I've ridden in one of these. My dad's good friend. I don't know how close they are. Oh yeah, I forgot. Well, you've had.
My dad had one of those.
Dude, his dad had Ferraris when he was younger and Lotus and he's insane, Mert. Did you hear me?
Yeah. Dude, you're just throwing candy.
Yeah, they've been
You
all.
saw that?
Yeah, they've all been throwing candy.
Not all of them.
Not all of them, but a lot of them. Yes. Dude, this 24 window bus. It's insane. It's like 100K because that's 24 windows. It's like 24 windows. This one's so expensive because it's 24. It's insane. I'm almost certain it's 24 because I remember seeing it on an auction. Oh man, look at this. I don't know what 31 stands for though. This thing looks insane. That colorway is wow. Beautiful. That's insane. Ooh, an international. Whoa, bikers. Imagine if the wind just blew your ass into a car. Oh, man.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, I would cry. Wow, love that. What a nice exhaust. Oh.
Place, no hybrid.
Chevy Vega. Oh, 70 Mustangs. Do you like 70 Mustangs? Like the green one, 70s. A lot of people don't really ever talk about them. And not the beginning ones, not the new ones. But from 74 and up, yes, that's when everything went to the...
Yeah, everything went soft and slow.
Yep.
So Uzi.
Dude, bro, he's... Mach 1. Look at the... Right, you like that one?
Yeah.
Look at the Cougar.
There's like this same spec.
That's
I like the
beautiful.
Mustangs, man.
Yeah.
The Mustang.
Here's another Mustang Fox body.
Hey, there's a Fox body here I could be driving down.
.455 cubic inch. I actually, as a kid, I used to think that was the horsepower as well, but every kid probably thought that. When you saw the number, yeah. Oh. These are six-figure cars. Six figures. Easily. They're beautiful. Wow, look at that.
I guess it becomes so weird. So evident.
Dude, that Ocean Breeze is actually the guy for it. That, yeah. Oh, no way. Is this the guy from over there, from Frederick?
I think he's the one from Frederick, dude.
Wait, I don't think so, actually. I don't know. If they're really redneck, then yeah, because I remember them. Yeah, I think it is. It is, bruh. Wow, beautiful Nova. Or, excuse me, Bel Air. It is them, bruh. Sonic meat, Sonic.
That's tow truck. Tow truck going mad now.
Dude, look at this, yeah. Dodge Dart stinger. Wow. Oh my God! Look at the Mustang upcoming. Look at this. All right, these lineups and right here is insane.
You can carry on that.
Little Trans Am with the bird.